What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be turning this into this heat wrapped exhaust manifold. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Alright, let's go. These are the parts we're gonna be using. Of course, we need our header, some cutters to cut the clamps, scissors to cut the heat wrap, protective gloves, well, to protect your hands. We got some clamps included in the kit, and we've got two rolls of 15 meters by 5 centimeter. It's more than enough for this header, and I can use the rest, well, the leftover, for other projects. And a bucket of water, and I already have one roll soaking in the water, just so the heat wrap is a bit more flexible and you can get a tighter fit over the header, which is going to be very important. You need a tight fit. And then we need a plan. So of course we're gonna heat wrap all of this. I'm gonna leave this guy open just so I can use it whenever I want to. And then we're gonna try and wrap each header alone, but just like over here it's too tight, so we will have to pass the two runners at the same time with the roll. So it's gonna be a difficult one because we've got a lot of tight spaces, but I hope it works out. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hope you enjoy. So we're gonna start with this runner. I think that's the easiest one. The only close spot is just over here. Other than that, it's gonna be clear until here, so I hope this is gonna be the easiest one. Now I do have my whole roll in water, so to measure it out it's gonna be a bit difficult, but yeah, I'm just gonna wing it and hope for the best. Of course, I have two rolls. I don't want too much to be wasted anyway. So still have some clamps in here. Okay, now whenever you wrap it, just make a little fold to start off, and then you start wrapping, and then after that you will try and do like a ½ inch, which is about just over 1 centimeter of overlap each turn you make. More isn't always better, because yeah, the heat has to come through the exhaust, but some of the heat has to be able to go through the exhaust as well, through the heat wrap. And the whole point of heat wrapping this is to lower the engine temperatures, well, engine bay temperatures, and with my supercharger it's going to be hot anyway, so that's the reason I'm going to do this. Anyway, enough rattling, let's just start to heat wrap. I'm just trying to figure out how much I'm going to be using. You have a few ways of measuring out, so you can do the folding way and then say like, yeah, that's 1 turn that we're going to be needing. 2 turns of 13, let's say about 15 turns minimum. And then we measure out our turns, which is this. So we go about 1, 2, 3, 15. I'm going to make it 16 just to be sure. And then we can cut it. Very easy to cut. Put the rest back into the water. Now this is frayed a little bit, but that's okay because the first overlap is gonna pass it anyway, and I'm gonna fold it anyway. So just gonna use one more tool. Just gonna use some tie wraps, just so I don't use my clamps yet, and if I do mess up I can just cut the tie wrap and I don't have to cut the clamp, because the clamps, well, I have a few, but I don't have too many. Alright, let's go. This way. can really try and pull it as hard as possible. Leave a little bit of space here so I can put my clamp afterwards. Now we can start wrapping. So we got our first difficult point over here. I'm gonna go one more, and then I will pass a bit more this way. So I will have a little open space here, but I will try and fix that whenever I pass with the other side. So nice and tight. Okay, that was the last one. And then we're gonna put a clamp around here, and then this part is gonna be covered when I do the last wrap on the second runner over here. So for now, like I said, just gonna use a tie wrap. Go. Now we can check our work. That's looking good. All nice and tight. That's good. Alright, let's go to the second one. Alright, so that's two of them done. The heat wrap is very tight. Well, not only the heat wrap, but these spots are very tight as well, just like here. I do have some overlap, as you can see, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do over here yet. I think I'm gonna improvise the moment that I finished up these two. So let's just continue with these two. I'm gonna need tight as well here, but very tight here because it's already touching. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Well, let's see what it gives, and I will update you guys when, well, if I fuck up or if I'm finished with these two. So let's see. Off we go. All right, next is the last piece. I did try to put some of those clamps on, but they do really, well, suck. So I'm gonna go and get some clamps like this for your CV boots. I'm gonna get them from work. They will be very tight and they will be good. Because these guys, as you can see, well, they don't have any holes in them, so they don't really lock. But that's okay. Doesn't really matter. At least we can continue. I'm gonna leave this like that. This guy is still loose. I've got one tie wrap here, which I have to loosen whenever I make it with this. I took the whole roll out. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but well, at least everything is in one piece then from here until, well, the big collection here, all the way over there. Yeah, let's get going. Alright, it's all wrapped up, literally wrapped up. So I'm really happy with it. Where the two runners came too close, I did wrap 2 runners together instead of just one, but that's okay, that doesn't really matter. I do like how it came out. It's looking good. It's really tight. I really pulled very hard on it. Unfortunately, I didn't come all the way to here, but I do have another set, so I might just end up wrapping this, and then yeah, just to be sure that the sump isn't getting too hot by the exhaust. Anyway, it's looking good. I am gonna change out these tie wraps, of course, because they will melt with some of these. I have to get them tomorrow at work, but well, yeah, you know how it goes. You know how to put it in. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the content, like, comment, subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.